Okay, 안녕하세요. What time is it? It's 4:10 here in Korea. So that is 안녕하세요 pa rin. But that is afternoon insa or greeting. Okay, afternoon greeting. Okay, you can say 안녕하세요 anytime. Okay, so this afternoon I'm going to teach you about Korean numbers. Or that is 숫자 in Korean. 숫자. Okay? S-U-S. sus, but the pronunciation is T. 숫자. Okay? So, dito is dobling katinig siya. Kasi may S at saka J dito, jiyot. So, pag magkasunod kasi yan, nagiging, ano ba yan? Taktake, rough, hard. Okay, nagiging hard yung sound niya. So, susjano, sutjano, sutja. Okay, it should be ganghe. Ganghe means hard sound. Sutja. Okay, so this time I'm going to teach you Korean numbers, but dalawa kasi ng Korean numbers. You have to remember this one. There are two systems of Korean numbers. One is native Korean numbers, which is the one I'm going to teach you. Next is or China system. Yung native Korean numbers is part 1 and part 2. So, let's start from native Korean numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so wag nating damihan kasi baka hindi makabisa agad sa mga utak natin. Okay, so pakunti-kunti lang. So, the basic one, 1 to 10. Ang galing natin magbilang, di po ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, ang daming salita. Okay, so let's start. Sa native Korean number. Okay, so start from 0. Ang 0 in Korean is young. Young. Okay, that is young or gong. Gong. Okay? Sa yung 0 in Korean, dalawa po yan siya. You can say it either young or di kaya gong. Okay? Gong. Okay. Next is number 1. Isa. That is il. Il. Okay? Il. Iyong i real. Il. 2 or dalawa. That is i. I. Okay? Next is tatlo. That is sam. 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 4 is sa. 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 Ang bilis lang, ano? 5. O. 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 6 is yuk. 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 7 is chill. Chill. Huwag niyong sabihin na chur kasi yung real is dalawa yung sound niya, di ba? Minsan kasi R sound, minsan L sound. But sa number 7, that is L sound. Chill. Chill. Next, 8. Pal. Pal. Ito yung may ibang meaning, di po ba? Napag-aralan natin yan before. Arm. Okay? But here, in number siya. Pal. Pal. Dito din, L sound. Par, no. It is pal. Pal. Okay. Siyam or 9. Siyam. Okay. Siyam. Okay. That is gu in Korean. Gu. Not ku, but gu. Gu. Okay? Gu. And the last, 10 in Korean, that is shib. Shib. Okay, shib, no, not P sound, but B. Shib. 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 Okay? So this time, let's count 1 to 10 in Korean. But I think I'm not gonna say these words or yung mga napag-aralan natin. Okay? Kaya po ang magbasa. Kasi sinulat ko siya in our alphabet. Yung mababasa niya siya. Kabisado yun siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So, check nyo po. Okay, very good. But I'm gonna give you a bonus. What kind of bonus? That is reading Korean phone number. Pag nagbabasa kayo ng Korean number, mostly na ginagamit is yung native Korean numbers, not the China number. Okay? That the China, yung sa Chinese na system. But, yung pinag-aralan natin, ano ba yun? Kung ganon. Ano yung number? Ano yung number na to? How are you going to say this one? That is sum. 2, 5, 7, 6. Okay, but this time, take note. Pag ang word, okay? Pag ang word gung, pag ang kasunod niyan is, yogi is consonant, ang kasunod is vowel, dapat pag nagbasa kayo is, idugtong nyo dun sa vowel. Okay? So, try natin, hulaan nyo din kung paano basahin itong mga numbers na ito. Okay? So, 0 is kung. Pag nagbabasa kayo, mostly ginagamit sa mga numbers, hindi yung ilyong. Ginagamit yung kung, 0. Okay? Kung, 1 is il. Okay? Kungil. Diba siya? Kungil. I-ano niya siya, ikabit. Kungil. Okay? Kasi, ganyan, consonant. Consonant siya dito, pero you can say kungil. Okay? Dami. Kung. Sam, il, sa, i, chil, i, yuk, o. Pero pag babasahin niyo po siya, nagkaroon ako ng malaking problema nito. Based on my experience. Kasi, pag bibili ka kasi sa supermarket, may ano ba kayo? May number ba kayo para maiipon yung mga points. Okay. So, sinabi ko, halimbawa, ito yung number ko. Mostly kasi is, ano lang, dito, kahit hindi mo nasabihin lahat, kahit dito yung number, sasabihin mo, hindi nila maintindihan. Sasabihin mong, halimbawa, yung Korean, Sam, il, sa, i, chil, i, yuk, o. Hindi nila maintindihan yan. Dapat idugtong mo. Sa mil, sa samil, malgo, not samil. Sa mil, sa i. Dito consonant kasi may patsim. Consonant, idugtong mo dito. Samil, no. Samil. Kadami, sa, i. Dito pa isa-isa lang. Okay lang kasi wala siyang consonant sa ilalim. Sa, mil, sa, i. Dito, be careful. Til, i, no. It should be ang R or L sound. I-connect mo dito sa i. Okay? Paano ba yan? Isumpay. Idugtong mo agad. Chiri. Chil, no. Chiri. Okay, dami. Yung ganun. Yuk, o, no, it should be you go. You, kadami, ang G or giyok, isa idugtong mo sa o. Go. So, nagiging you go. 그럼 kung babasahin mo siya, 010 3142 7265. Okay, ganun ang pagbasa. Ito yung pagtatawag ka sa Korean number, but hindi ko number yan. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, so practice nyo po yon, yung Korean number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so abangan nyo po ang part 2. Okay, bye!